Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming, and if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I know I look a hot mess. Please excuse me. I was asleep. I had no plans of filming today, but then couriers came and I got a package and I just felt like I needed to pull up my laptop and start recording. If you want to see what I got today, please stay tuned. So guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you will have known that I turned 34 on Monday. Yes, happy birthday to me. And I was expecting some birthday gifts, so most of them were coming a bit late. Out of all of them though, the only one that I was extremely excited for was what came in the mail today. So let's just jump right in. So first of all, let me tell you guys, I wasn't planning on filming an unboxing. I would have just showed you guys what I got afterwards. But when I opened the box, the first thing that hit my eye, I just had to close back the box. I was so excited. And I couldn't share it with my husband because he doesn't understand my excitement. He just wanted to see, but he doesn't understand my excitement. Guys. Look at it. This was probably one of the palettes that I wanted the most, and I have it. Auntie Jackie, I have you. I'm not going to open it and I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to leave it a little fresh, and I will be doing a video with this very soon. But I mean, guys, look it. I got it. And it didn't stop there, you know. It did not stop there. So secondly, I got the Pat McGrath Labs Mini Lust Gloss. This is a first edition, limited edition. And just looking at it off the back, you see this one here? I'm in love. Again, I'm not going to open it. I'm going to do all that in a subsequent video. Thirdly, and this is something that I've been wanting to try for a long time, but I haven't been seeing it. I mean, I don't really go out that much to see stuff, but I've been seeing a lot of people talk about it and raving about it, and I'm really glad that I'm finally getting a chance to try it out. And that's the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powders in Dark 40 and Tutti Medium. And I think I could actually use both of these because the dark it has a kind of rich color, so I'm guessing I could use it all over my face. And this as well, I can use this to highlight. So I already know that these I would be able to use, and I've been really excited to find them and to get them because I've heard only good things about these two powders. In fact, I've only been hearing a lot of good things about Maybelline on a whole. They're really showing up themselves these days. I got as well the Sephora Touch Up Eyebrush Set. This is a 4-piece mini eyebrush set, and I always love brushes. Brushes is something that when you're doing makeup, you can never have enough of. I have brushes on standby, and I'm still buying brushes because you could just never have enough. So for all of my Ipsy users, there was a fragrance that came out sometime last year. I remember I got the sample for it. It was Juliet's Got a Gun, and I've heard a lot of good things. I've heard a lot of people talk about it, and I myself, this was a sample that I kept away for special occasions, and I've never seen it selling locally. I mean, you don't really find these things selling locally. And I got back another sample. So you all know that I will be keeping this sample until I finally find a full-size bottle. I'm not sure how much a full-size bottle will cost, but I could imagine it ain't cheap. As well as I got three other samples. I got a replica Maison Margiela. I don't want to call the name because I'll feel shame. But it's another sample. It's a female scent, Sunkissed fragrance is Sunkissed Salty Skin. I'm gonna have to try this to see what I think about it. I got a Gucci sample. This is in I failed French in school, you know. I failed French in school, so I'm not gonna try to do this and embarrass myself. As well as a Bergamot Commodity, another sample. This is, let me see if it's females as well. I can't tell, but I'm gonna try it. So that's it. I feel like I'm shouting. And if I'm shouting, please excuse me. I'm just really excited, you know. I got new stuff. Happy birthday to me. And all these stuff are stuff that I actually wanted or didn't know that I wanted, and now I know that I did. So again, thank you so much. You know who you are. These little goodie baskets are always very, very, very welcomed and appreciated. I feel so loved. And I'm going to share these stuff with you guys. Okay, so look out very soon for a video with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. I don't even want to swatch it as yet. I just want to look at the packaging because the packaging is so beautiful, and this is actually my first ABH product. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys feel excited about these presents as me, and don't feel shy. You can tell me happy belated birthday in the comments. I got a lot of happy birthdays, a lot of greetings. I felt very, very special, you know. I think that I am glad that you all know that too. I'm just kidding. I'm not this vain and you know, self-centered. Anyway, thank you so much for viewing. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.